If you are looking for some effervescent cleaning tablets, check out the Bastion cleaning tablets with me. Now, these are so much more powerful than just brushing your aligner or denture alone, because toothbrushes and toothpaste are meant for your mouth, where you really can't go as hard on it as you can on an aligner. And how these work is very simple. You get a ton of them. They come in 6 packs. You just tear off each tab one at a time. And then you just want to drop this tablet into the water. And off the bat, I am already loving this so much more than the other cleaning tabs I use, as it has a minty, fresh smell. All I do now is put the retainer, aligner, mouth guard, whatever you want cleaned, right into this water. Here we go. So now I'm going to leave this for 15 minutes, and after that I'll give it a quick rinse and we'll see how clean it is. Now, there are a few things that are standing out to me about this cleaner. Not only is it extremely powerful, but unlike the other tablets I've used, you aren't going to get in trouble if you forget your retainer in it for more than 15 minutes. So many will say don't leave it in for too long, whereas this one, you can leave your retainer in it overnight. That's pretty cool to me, as it means that there's nothing concerning in here that could deteriorate the quality of your retainer. And then it should be doing exactly what I want, not only cleaning it of bacteria, but also breaking down any stains and making it a fresh, clean, and odor-free mouthpiece in the end. So let's see how it does in 15 minutes. Now, we are only 8 minutes in, but what is impressive to me is I can see lots of gross gunk in there coming off the Invisaligns, and it has that really nice light minty smell. You don't even notice the smell unless you are specifically seeking it out, and that is a wonderful improvement over the other tablets I've tried. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Now I can just give these a quick rinse and check them out. Now, I didn't show these to you originally close up because they were disgusting, but I cannot tell you how amazing they look now, far better than we ever get with the ultrasonic cleaner. These look brand new, and he's been wearing these for a week. And at this rate, these would last as long as the plastic lasts, because these tablets are doing such a good job cleaning. Now, I would not say they are smell-free. There is the slightest minty smell to them, but that is so impressive. I am blown away by how well these worked. I thought we were set with an ultrasonic cleaner, but these clean better, and I love the very light minty smell. These are a step above. This is far better than any other cleaning tool I've used for my son's Invisalign retainer, and believe me, we've tried quite a few. It has been a few years now. I highly recommend Bastion's cleaning tablets because these are fantastic.